Friends, so I am here on the characteristic number 27 of successful people. Successful people are highly ethical people on this earth. So, first of all, understand, what is the meaning of ethical? So, for most of the people, ethics or ethical people means they will never tell lie, they will follow all the rules, they will follow all the policies, agreement, whatever they will make. They will pay their bills on time. So these are the few characteristics of ethical people. But here, author is saying beyond all these characteristics, all this point which I mentioned about ethical people, as per the author, which I do agree, if after all these characteristics, if they are not fulfilling the commitment towards their family, towards their society, towards their country, and for him or herself of succeeding, then they are not ethical. Why? Because, first thing, if they are succeeding, they are giving the opportunities, they are giving good life to their family members, to their generation, to their country, to their society. So that is the commitment, that is their obligation to succeed. So this is in addition to all the characteristics. This particular thing is also added to the person which makes them a successful people. So anything there is a difference, any difference between what you know, what is your potential, and what you are doing. If there is a difference, there's a gap between these two things, that means you are not living to your fullest potential, and hence you are not ethical, because you are not giving your fullest, and you are not uh, committing, or you are not creating good a better place for your society, for yourself, even for yourself, your family members. So this is a very important point, or important characteristics of successful person, that they are ethical. So thank you, friends. I will come with another characteristics. Till then, bye, see you again.